Hey, it's Rory with SoyaChinchao.com, and this is the Huawei Nova 2 Lite, Huawei's new affordable full-view smartphone. It comes in two colors, a glossy blue one that makes nice light reflections and a matte black one that doesn't. While they don't feel particularly premium, they are surprisingly light. In front, it's got a slightly larger 5.99-inch 18:9 aspect ratio display, but it pushes a lower HD plus resolution of 1440 by 720p compared to the Nova 2i. Inside, it's powered by an entry-level Qualcomm Snapdragon 430 processor mated to 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage. You can expand it further via a microSD card if you need more space. Keeping the lights on is a 3000 mAh battery, but unfortunately you'll have to charge it with a micro USB cable. On the software side of things, it's running on EMUI 8.0 that's built on top of Android Oreo. Since it's a camera-centric phone, you're getting a dual camera system at the back, which comprises of a main 13-megapixel sensor and a secondary 2-megapixel sensor for depth effects. In front, you will find an 8-megapixel f2.0 aperture selfie shooter with beautification features. The Nova 2 Lite is priced at 799 ringgit and will go on sale on the 23rd of March. Huawei will also be giving customers complimentary Huawei bags while stocks last. 799 ringgit seems pretty steep for this smartphone, especially since you can get the much better Nova 2i for not much more. Alternatively, there's also the Honor 9 Lite, which will also give you more bang for your buck. But that's my opinion. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching.